Hello friends, my name is Anuja and I am a certified medical coder. In today's video, I am going to review one of the most renowned medical coding institutes to help you decide whether you should begin your CPC exam preparation journey with them. But before I jump into the actual review, I want to share the 10 important points that I will consider in this review series. This will help you understand exactly what matters when choosing the right institute. First, I will talk about the accreditation and recognition of the institution. Is it officially recognized? Is it aligned with industry standards like AAPC guidelines? Next, I will review whether the curriculum is updated and detailed. Does it cover the latest coding guidelines? Is it aligned with current CPC exam patterns? I will also evaluate the teacher's experience. Are they certified coders themselves? Do they have real industry exposure? I will also check whether they provide hands-on training, real-life case studies, and practice exercises as a part of curriculum. I will speak about the exam, CPC exam preparation, all support that you get from the institution, internship and job after completion of the course, access of updated coding books. If yes, for how long? Is it for a limited time or is it for a lifetime? Do they provide access to updating coding books? I will also be talking about delivery options, whether is it online, offline or hybrid. I will also analyze reviews from past students, whether they are successfully cleared the AAPC CPC exams. Finally, I will evaluate whether the course fee is justified, the duration is appropriate, flexible payment options are available. So now let's begin the review. Let's review Magnet Medical Coding Solutions. They are aligned with AEPC. Let's check what all they are offering. Medical coding course, medical billing, account receivable, coding training. Okay, the mode of training is online and they provide denial handling services, job training, and also recruitment. Highly skilled medical professionals they have, which is a plus point. Also, they have mentioned that training sessions provide an assured placement, so placement support they are giving. High class medical billing and coding specialists they have. Okay, and here they have mentioned the testimonials. If I talk about the curriculum, the students will learn principles of medical coding. Okay, HIPIX level 2, they have ICD 10 CM, CPT. These are the important topics to be covered to be a medical coder. Okay, they also provide practical application of coding operative reports. So this is it. Now let's rate this institute according to these parameters. Accreditation and recognition as they are aligned with APC, so I would rate this one. Updated and comprehensive curriculum. Yes, they have a well-designed curriculum which will make you prepare for APC exam, but they are not covering AI. So for that, I would deduct 0.3 marks. So I would give this 0.7. Qualified and experienced instructors. They have high-class medical coding instructors. So I would give this one. Practical training and case studies, I would give this 0.4. Certification and exam preparation support. They are making you prepare for APC exam, so I would give this 0.8. Internship and job placement assistance, they are giving job placement, so I would give this 0.7. Access to updated coding books and software, this part they haven't mentioned, so I would give this 0. Flexible learning options, okay, the mode of training is only online, so I would give this 0.6. Student reviews and success rate, testimonials are there, you may check it out by yourself, so I would give this 1. Course fees, duration and payment option, nothing was mentioned, neither course fees nor duration. Okay, so I would give this 0. So overall we have here is 6.2. And as per me, the curriculum is good. It is well designed, that will make you prepare for APC exams. Also, but AI part they are not covering, and the practical training part they haven't briefly discussed about this. But as per me, you may go with this course. Also, I have put one more link in the description. You may check that out too. That institute covers all these parameters and gives you 100% placement guarantee. And I personally feel that in and I personally and I personally feel that institute is 10 on 10 in terms of these parameters. You may check that out. So that was it. Thank you so much for watching.